Yes, Benji Vegas.
Speaker sir, I stand in support of the private members resolution raised by my colleague Babkruz Silva. Speaker sir, there is nothing new in speaking about skill development. उलयता हा आनी कितलीशीं वर्सां हांवूय कॉलेज पास जाल तेन्नासून हांव आयकतां जेन्ना हांव टीव्हीचेर पळयतालो आज हांव एसेंब्लींत आहा आनी त्योच गोश्ट उलयता. So that means our intention to ensure that skill development is provided and skilled students pass out and join the industry सारकें खूंय पूण ना. गेल्या त्या वर्सा 19,000 भुरगीं SSC पास जाल्लीं, हे पाटी 20,000 SSC पास जाले आनी 19,000 हायर सेकंडरी पास जातलीं. Same figures next year जातले. So 3 वर्सां, so now you know that these children are ready. So how are we going to make them futuristic ready? How are we going to make them trained? 2027 इलेक्शना पयलीं समज एक हॉटेल रेडी जावन येवपाचें आहा, तें हॉटेल आज जरी तरी प्रपोजल घालता. ते हॉटेलाक जनरल मॅनेजराक कितें क्वॉलिफिकेशन आहा, ड्रायव्हरांक कितें जाय, सगळे रेस्टॉरंटान कितें जाय, तें आज जरी 3 वर्स पयलें ते हॉटेलाक आमी ती स्कील ट्रेन करून दिली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हें सगळें क्रॅक डावन जावपाची हाय चान्सीस आसा. आनी फॉर दॅट आय थिंक वॉट वी नीड टू डू, आमी एक सॅम्पल रिपोर्ट घेतलेलो. When I say Ami means I had taken a sample report in my own constituency. And sample report प्रमाणे एक psychometric test conduct केली last year on the 29th of April. Psychometric testaचे जो result आयलो speaker sir was very horrifying. It was seen that almost more than 55 to 60% of the children who have answered SSC last year are not in a position to go for 11th standard with that test what they have answered, which means they are not ready to go for 11th standard. In their mentally they are not eligible. So what do we do for these children? This is the government's duty to identify, because if they go to the 11th and 12th they will not do well, and they will not do well and they will get demotivated and their career choice will go wrong. So speaker sir, this is the crux. We have done this. So I walk the talk, speaker sir. Psychometric tests needs to be done from 8th standard, 9th standard. Children needs to be identified who needs to be trained with skill development. आणि त्यांना इस्कुलांतले बाय स्वता सोना तांकां तें ट्रेनिंग पडपा जाय. सगलो 11th वयता म्हूण सगळे भुरगे 11th करपाक पडना. And I think this is what we need to do. Give them skill training after the school gets over, during the school period. I think this identification is the key when they are young, speaker sir. ना जाल्यार हॉटेलां येतलीं आनी ते एडवर्टायजमेंटूय घालतले सगळे लोकल पेपरांचेर, पूण ते एडवर्टायजमेंटाचेर एप्लाय करपाक जे कोण एलिजिबिलिटी क्रायटेरिया इंटरव्यूआक वयता तो इंटरव्यू पास जावपाना, स्पीकर सर, बिकॉज वी हॅव फेल्ड टू प्रोवायड देम द रायट स्कील एट द रायट टायम. तो हुंय तरी आमगेलो सरकार चुकता आनी चुकता म्हणून आमगेले एवरी इयर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट वाडत आहा. तो स्पीकर सर, I would categorically like to say that we need to encourage psychometric test in all our schools and guide the children whether they should go to do higher education, whether they should go into skill development courses, and which skill development courses will be identified through this psychometric test. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Alex Lawrence.